What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike Sieben, and in today's video we are going to be talking why selling on Amazon FBA is so hard and what you need to do and think about to be in this business and be successful with running your very own Amazon business. Let's get into it. Why is the Amazon business so hard, and why should you be watching this video before starting your very own business? Well, the number one reason why the FBA business is so hard is because you haven't smashed that like button yet. Seriously, guys, go smash the like button. Helps out the YouTube algorithm immensely, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you haven't already. All right, so the actual number one reason is it's a tough business. You must be patient, you have to trust the process, and you have to understand that it is actually a long-term business. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not an overnight process. It's gonna take time, it's gonna take effort, but if you do this all correctly, it is possible to have a very profitable and scalable business where you can hit the 7, even 8-figure mark. There are sellers out there that have done just this with some of the different principles and trainings that I'm going to talk about, and I do talk about here on this channel. So the second thing that you need to know about the business is it requires an immense amount of discipline. You have to stick to the plan throughout your process, throughout the inventory life cycle, and throughout the logistics process. Even once product reaches a warehouse, you must stay disciplined, stick to the plan, trust your product research, and trust that your product is going to perform the way that you researched it would. If you're brand new to the game, I highly recommend getting some help, whether that's good old YouTube University, go through my channel, go through some of the other sellers on here. All of the information that you need can be found on YouTube and Google. If you want to get someone who can help you through the process, I would then recommend doing a course, a community, or a membership, or maybe something that has all three. I'm actually currently working on something myself that will launch later in 2020, and this will be a community-based mentorship, live trainings. Will come with all of that, and we'll pack that into a super affordable fee for you guys. So that's just a shameless little plug. If you guys are interested in that, let me know down in the comment section or reach out to me on one of my social media links. You can find that on my page, and we will get you guys set up. We will help you and get you started. The third reason that FBA is so hard is mindset. So you must maintain a positive mindset at all times throughout the business. Like I said, this is not an overnight process. It takes time, and there are going to be tons of losses, tons of downtime, tons of time where you ask yourself, am I going to be able to make it through this month? Did I make the right choice? Did I do my product research correctly? And then alternatively, you're going to have times where you wake up and you see those sales flying, you see good margins, you see things operating as they should, and you really just have to make sure that your wins just outweigh the losses. That's the whole name of the game, and you just have to keep a positive mindset and know that as long as you are working hard, you're showing discipline and you're doing your proper research and leaning on your experience, that everything will work out. It will all be good, and you can handle any obstacle or anything that comes your way because you are a badass FBA seller. The fourth and final thing is you must understand Amazon. Amazon is a behemoth. They are the biggest company in the world, and over 50% of e-commerce sales comes from the Amazon platform. So with that in mind, there are tons of different product restrictions and regulations. You need to make sure that you aren't restricted in a certain category. It isn't a hazmat product. You need to be paying attention to updates to Amazon's and policies, as well as their base policies that you should know You need to make sure that you're abiding by the terms of service as an Amazon seller. And then you need to make sure, obviously, to do your product research, to look at the history of a product, look at your competitors, look at your keywords. You need to make sure that you're taking that all into account, because you must play on Amazon's platform and play by their rules in order to play. But just know that if you are able to understand these things, you're able to lean on your experience or use a course, a program, a mentor, a coach, whatever you want to call it, to help you, guide you in the right direction, that there are riches on the other side of the road. It is definitely possible to build an awesome, big, fun, amazing behemoth of an Amazon business if you just show the 4 things that I talked about in the video, and you understand Amazon and you play within their rules, abide by their terms of service, and make sure that you're doing everything in your power to help them create the best customer experience as possible. You will be successful, hands down, no doubt about it. All right, guys, that is all I have for you today. This has been why FBA is so hard. But keep in mind, even though there's all of these obstacles and things in your way, that it's absolutely entirely possible, and I believe that you can do it. And just know that there's always support and guidance out there to help you. Feel free to reach out to me, even if you aren't interested in a course or a program. I would be more than willing to answer any questions. Let me know down in the comments what you're struggling with on either pulling the trigger and getting started, or a struggle that you're having within your own business, and we will chat and get you through that obstacle. If you guys enjoy my content, please make sure you smash that like button. That helps out the YouTube algorithm. Also, make sure that you are subscribed and you hit the little notification bell. That'll let you know every single time that I post a new video. Other than that, that is all I have for you guys today. I hope that you take care, and we'll see you on the next one.